Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. As you settle into this moment, allow your body to find its natural state of rest. Feel the surface beneath you, supporting you completely. And as you take another deep breath, let your shoulders drop away from your ears. Let your jaw soften. Let your forehead release all tension. This is your time. This is your space. And in this space, something remarkable is about to unfold. Now, I want you to bring your awareness to your breath, not to change it, but simply to notice it. Notice the cool air entering your nostrils. Notice the warmth as you exhale. And with each exhale, feel a deeper sense of letting go. With each inhale, feel a fresh wave of presence arriving. Your mind is becoming quieter now. Your body is becoming heavier. And in this stillness, your subconscious mind is wide open, receptive, ready to receive new possibilities. With each inhale, feel a fresh wave of presence arriving. Your mind is becoming quieter now. Your body is becoming heavier. Let me ask you to recall a time in your life when you felt completely alive. A time when you were driven, focused, and unstoppable. Perhaps it was a moment of great achievement. Perhaps it was a moment when you overcame a tremendous challenge. Let that memory rise to the surface now. See what you saw then. Hear the sounds that surrounded you. And most importantly, feel the feeling that was present in that moment. That surge of energy, that clarity of purpose, that absolute certainty that you could do anything you set your mind to. Let that feeling grow stronger now. Amplify it. Feel it spreading through your chest, through your limbs, through every fiber of your being. This is your resource state. This is your power, and you can access it anytime you choose. Now, as you feel this powerful state growing within you, I want you to create a simple anchor. Press your thumb and forefinger together gently. Feel the pressure between them. And as you hold this gesture, let the feeling of motivation, drive, and energy intensify. With every breath, this anchor becomes stronger. With every repetition, this connection deepens. Your subconscious mind is learning this pattern now. It's linking this physical gesture to this. My drive is not something I need to find. It is something I am. Every morning, I wake with purpose and passion. My energy is abundant, my focus is sharp, and my commitment is unwavering. I don't wait for inspiration to strike. I create inspiration with every thought I think. My inner fire burns bright and steady, guiding me toward my goals with effortless momentum. I am naturally drawn to action. I take inspired steps toward my dreams, and each step fuels the next. Procrastination has no hold on me. I am a person of action, and action is my natural state of being. Feel the truth of these words resonating in your body. Let them settle into your bones. Let them flow through your bloodstream. This is not just a thought. This is a cellular reality. Your body is now aligning with this new identity. Your mind is rewiring itself for success. I am unstoppable in the pursuit of my goals. Obstacles are not barriers. They are opportunities to grow stronger. Challenges excite me because I know they are stepping stones to greatness. I have an inexhaustible supply of energy, and I channel it into what matters most. My motivation is not dependent on external circumstances. It flows from within, constant and reliable. I am the architect of my reality, and I build with intention and joy. Every day, I am more driven than the day before. Every moment, I am more aligned with my true purpose. And as you hear these words, you might notice I am deeply connected to my purpose. My goals are clear, and my path is illuminated. I move forward with confidence and grace. Each step I take is guided by wisdom and courage. I am not afraid to dream big because I know I have the power to make those dreams real. My ambition is healthy and pure, driving me to serve the world with my unique gifts. I am motivated not just to achieve, but to become, to evolve, to expand, to shine. And in this expansion, I inspire others to find their own fire. Now, let's deepen this experience. Imagine a brilliant golden light at the center of your being. It's warm, radiant, and alive. This light is your core motivation. It's the essence of your drive, your passion, your will to succeed. With each inhale, this light grows brighter. With each exhale, it spreads further through your body. Feel it flowing down your arms. Feel it flowing through your legs. Feel it filling every organ, every muscle, every cell. This light is you. You are this light. and it is unstoppable. I am a magnet for opportunities. Doors open for me effortlessly. The right people appear at the right time. The right resources are always available to me. I am in perfect alignment with success. My vibration attracts abundance and prosperity. I am ready to receive all the goodness that life has to offer. And I am equally ready to give my very best to the world. My motivation is a gift, and I share it freely. My energy is contagious, lifting everyone around me. 4, 4, and 4. When I fall, I rise again, wiser and more determined. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. I trust the process of my growth. I trust the timing of my life. I am exactly where I need to be, and I am moving forward at the perfect pace. My motivation is sustainable because it's rooted in self-love. I motivate myself with kindness, not pressure. I celebrate every small win. I honor every step of progress. And in this way, my drive grows stronger and stronger, day after day. Now, bring your awareness back to that anchor. Press your thumb and forefinger together once more. And as you do, feel the full force of your motivation flooding back into your awareness. Feel the energy rising. Feel the clarity sharpening. Feel the determination solidifying. This is your power. This is your truth, and it is always available to you. Release the gesture now, and know that this state is now deeply encoded in your neurology. It's a part of you. It's who you are. I am motivated. I am driven. I am energized. I am in action. My potential is limitless. My future is bright, and I am stepping into it with joy and confidence. Take one more deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any remaining doubt or hesitation. Let it dissolve into nothingness. You are free to be your most motivated self. You are free to pursue your dreams with reckless abandon. You are free to live a life of purpose and passion. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now, beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day, until we meet again in stillness.